Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your November read. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you in November. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of November, please. Thank you. Alright, Pisces, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. So, Pisces, having to make a big choice, Pisces. Alright, okay. Well, off the back, I can tell you the November card. This is the current, this is the past, this is the upcoming energy, and the upcoming energy, Pisces, for you is the Star. Some wishes are going to be coming true. You are being guided in the right direction here, it seems. Alright, so bottom of my deck, yes, you are waiting. You are waiting. Maybe you haven't seen the fruits of whatever this wish is as yet, but it's coming. Your ships are coming in, Pisces, and yeah, the Star is here for the November card. I've got goosebumps already. I'm going to start, Pisces, with a Ganesha Oracle card this time. Let's see what Lord Ganesha's blessing is to you, and then an angel blessing card before we start our reading. So, Lord Ganesha, what do you have for my Pisces gang for November? For Pisces, thank you. And the card I have here from Lord Ganesha for you, Pisces, is spiritual practice. Please keep believing, Pisces. Please keep believing. I know sometimes when things are hidden in the dark, when you're scared, when you don't know the truth, and you come to a place where you need to make some decision or choice, or waiting for somebody else to make a decision or choice, it's very difficult to hold on to your spiritual practice. But continue believing, because well, the Star is here. What else can I say? I'm going to not even read from the book for this one. This is just, yes, it speaks, the name itself speaks for itself. So my angels, what do you have for Pisces? What do you have for my Pisces? Blessing, guidance, advice, or message for November? Speak your truth. Speak your truth and spiritual practice. As long as you are clean and clear in what you want, what your heart says, where you're being directed, do not be afraid. Okay? Speak your truth and you'll be led in the right direction, it seems. From what I'm seeing here, Pisces, what's this lover spirit for Pisces in their current situation? This is not November yet, but they seem to be having to make some decision here. There's been some unrest or some argument. You are wishing to come out of the cold regarding something. This is your current energy. This is having to make a choice, or waiting for a decision to get made, for some wish of yours to come true so you can finally come out of the cold. This could be anything, Pisces. Maybe you've gone for some job interviews and you haven't heard back, or maybe this is a love situation, whatever. If it's kind of been a little conflicting, you don't know what's happening, just hang in there. Just hang in there. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for Pisces? The Moon. What happened in the recent past? You were waiting. You've been waiting for a long time, Pisces, for some choice or some decision to get made. I don't know, it'll be different for all of you. Each one of you will have a different thing that you've applied for or thought of or waiting for. But yes, you've just been waiting that I just want to get out of this, fear or anger or toxicity in my brain of not knowing what to do, where to go, which side should I, what decision should I make? And that when you're in that kind of a state, there is no sense of celebration. There's no kind of, feeling of joy, because you are waiting with bated breath almost for some choice or some decision to make. I do see you still waiting currently, but I think November, the star card is here. Let's see what it's going to bring you. Spirit, what's the star card for Pisces in November? What's the star card? Oh, okay. Yes, if somebody has not been working with you, that's going to again be work, right? They've had their own problems. Somebody has been keeping quiet or not emotionally being open, I guess, maybe running away from saying or doing the right thing, and that's what's led to this feeling of no victory, right? But I have a feeling all barriers are going to be down now. Or in November, I do see some wish of yours coming true, where this, that invisible veil that you have where you don't know what decision will be made, that barrier is going to come down. Okay, so this is a very specific reading, basically about something that you've been waiting on. Give me one more, Spirit, for November. What can we expect for November for Pisces? Yes, Pisces. Whatever you've been manifesting, the magician is here. Whatever you've been dreaming of, thinking of, manifesting, I think you'll be back in power, back in control. The Emperor is here with the magician card. What else can I say here? With the star card right there. Right? So keep manifesting. Do not lose hope. That's what I think this card was trying to say. Your spiritual practice, whatever you believe in, even if it's just general, I believe in the universe and the universe is going to bring me, or you have some kind of God that you believe in. Continue to. You may not see it right now, but it started already growing. Look at this person waiting, but these 3 wands that they have in their hand, it's already got little leaves on it. This person is so lost waiting for the final result that they can't even see that the little buds have already appeared. So don't give up. That's all I can say. So Pisces, what is Pisces? Let's see. What is Pisces holding on to, Spirit? Pisces, Spirit says you're holding on to the 5 of Cups. You're so disappointed about the things which haven't happened till now, right? That's what these cards were telling me as well. You're so kind of concentrated on all the past disappointments that you've had that you're not even noticing that there are 2 full cups right behind you. I think in November, well, you're going to be spotting them. So don't hold on to this, okay? So give me a clarification, Spirit, for the 5 of Cups. 5 of Cups. Yes, you feel there is... you feel you are unable to take action right now, but you... Okay. No, but you think you can't take action. You think you can't take action, Pisces, but you can. This chapter hasn't shut down yet. Whatever you've been planning, thinking, there is going to be fast forward movement coming, and you're going to be walking away from anything that was emotionally unhappy for you. Okay? Stop looking at the past with disappointment. Stay with your spiritual practice. Keep manifesting. And walk away from anything, any past memories which bothered you. I know it's easier said than done, but do make an effort, okay? What should Pisces let go of, Spirit? Feeling in lack. 4 of Pentacles. Feeling this is as good as it gets, but no, not at all. The minute you go into self-love, Pisces, this is what you're supposed to let go, and go into self-love and belief. Don't think this is all that you're going to get in this lifetime, or there's a feeling of lack and poverty, whether this is emotional or financial, I don't know. So what else should Pisces let go of, Spirit? Anger. Yes, release. So many cards of let go. I just talked about the 4 of Pentacles, right? And immediately Spirit gave me the 4 of Pentacles in reverse to make it even more specific. Let go of this feeling of lack. Let go of this overthinking. Like, this person is in a mental prison of their own, thinking of the worst case scenario. So let that go, pull yourself out of it, have trust, have faith that whatever you've been waiting on, well, the star card is here. What else can I say here? Right? So, what can become Pisces' biggest obstacle, Spirit, going into November? Ten of Pentacles. Why will that become an obstacle, Spirit? Oh, okay. So, Pisces, your ultimate goal is the Ten of Pentacles, right? You want to reach that happily ever after with all the money in the bank, the house, home, family, children, everything. But I think somewhere you don't believe it. You feel it's not possible, or things are imbalanced. This is all your mental. Maybe there's a lack of actually taking action because you feel afraid. Maybe there's a lack of motivation, not understanding the situation, whatever situation you're in, I don't know. But there is some kind of a feeling of all these pages basically represent new beginnings, right? So somewhere, because you believe it's not possible, or it's not going to be balanced, it's not going to be equal give and take, there could be a little bit of feeling that, hey, why should I even try? Don't give up. I mean, the entire reading screams of only one thing. Everything is happening, but you can't see it. There's so much of focus on lack that somewhere you believe it's not possible. So don't let that become a blockage to reach your Ten of Pentacles. So how will people be seeing my Pisces gang, Spirit? Having a huge transformation, yes. What's this transformation going to bring, Spirit? Why do people see Pisces like that? Pisces, people are going to be seeing you coming out of a stuck place, first of all. Okay? If you've been stuck for a very long time, if you've been in limbo, waiting, watching, yes, people are going to be seeing that lots of new offers are going to be coming your way. You may not be taking all of them because of your past hurt or whatever, but people will be seeing that you are finally getting unstuck, and balance and harmony is getting restored in your life. That's how people will be viewing you, your close friends, your family, your children. Finally a sense of balance and harmony and peace coming back to your life. And this is going to be like a huge transformation after being in the state of limbo, right? Suddenly there's movement, there will be balance, and there will be these offers which, well, you may not act on all of them, but the transformation begins in November from what I feel. So Spirit, what's your secret message to Pisces? Six of Pentacles. See, all this while Spirit was saying this is your blockage, right? You're feeling that you're not going to get this, you're not going to get this. But guess what? Spirit says, this is Spirit's secret message. What can I say? That this is totally going to be available for you. This equal give and take. If this is a job, whatever work you're going to put in, you will get equal amount of money back. If this is a relationship, it's going to be balanced and equal. So yes, beautiful. So Spirit, can I have some clarifiers for this, for your secret message? Again, another page. New beginnings, Pisces, and the end of fighting, strife, wanting to win at all costs, people having ego battles, all that is all in reverse, and something new. This is almost going to feel like a fresh start for you. With balance, with harmony. Keep believing, just don't give up. I mean, you're almost at the finish line. That's what I feel. Your ships are about to come in. So don't give up now. Okay? So, yes, go into self-love. That's all I can recommend. And believe. That's all I have for you, Pisces. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.